I'm Andy and I work here at the National Museum. We have dinosaurs and ice-aged beasts, you should see them. Jen is my assistant, Mrs. Pickles runs the show. Come on my adventure, ready, steady, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Andy's prehistoric adventures. Travel back in time to discover something new. We see woolly mammoth dinosaurs, cavemen and more. When I jump into the old museum clock to explore, take me off to prehistoric times, I say. Hold on tight, shut your eyes, let me fly away. 1, 2, 3, 4. Andy's prehistoric adventures. Travel back in time to discover something new. Andy's prehistoric adventures. Andy's prehistoric adventures. Hello, this is Greg Michael, and I'm back here with a new theme song from the TV show called Andy's Prehistoric Adventures. I'm doing 2 lessons. One lesson is for advanced guitar players, and other lesson is for beginners, I would say. So that 2 versions of the song, easy and not easy, more difficult. So I think I'll be starting from the simple version because I think it's gonna be applicable to more people, I guess. This beginner-friendly version of Andy's Prehistoric Adventures needs the capo on the fret 2, so that way you'll be able to play in original key, and the capo allows me to change those bar chords that I'm using in the advanced version to open chords. So this is kind of cool thing to have. Okay, so I'm gonna talk you through the chords first. So the first chord to play is E major. I'll have to assume at that stage that you kind of know how to grab those chords, So if you don't, just look them up, because I don't want to obviously make this lesson too long, and especially some of you probably don't know those chords already. So this is E major, then we go to G major, after that is A major, and then C major. So that's the first kind of round of chords, and then the chord progression goes E major, G major, and the B major bar chord. It's kind of A major shape with the bar in front of it, and you play this one more time. So each chord you have to play for 1 bar. So I'll kind of slowly show you that thing. I'm Andy and I work here at the National Museum. We have dinosaurs and ice-aged beasts, you should see them. Jen is my assistant, Mrs. Pickles runs the show. Come on my adventure, ready, steady, go. Something like that. So I was trying to kind of highlight the word that change the chord or whatever. I'll do it one more time. Check this out. I'm Andy. So look, I say I'm Andy and I work here at the National Museum. We have dinosaurs and ice-aged beasts. You should see them. Jen is my assistant. Mrs. Pickles runs the show. Come on my adventures. Ready, steady, go. So that's the verse number 1. The verse number 2 is exactly the same in terms of the chord structure. So I think, shall I do it? I will do it. We'll see woolly mammoth, dinosaurs, cavemen and more. When I jump into the old museum clock to explore, take me off to prehistoric times, I say. Hold on tight, shut your eyes, let me fly away. And after that, each way, after verse and the second verse, you do the chorus, which is made of those chords. So this is E major, A major, followed by D major, and back to A major. Now listen, this is kind of weird D major that I'm playing. This is a... I guess I'll tell you how to grab it. those two fingers, they need to sit on strings 3, fret 2, and 2, fret 3, and then you put your ring finger on the 4th fret of string 4. When I say 4th fret, obviously I'm pretending that there's no capo. This is kind of nice version of the major chord, you know. Nice inversion. You can also play normal D, just regular D major. So check this out. It's like a mini riff. One more time. I'll do it slower. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down. On these prehistoric adventures, travel back in time to discover something new. To A. You know, you can just strum. These prehistoric adventures, go back in time to discover something new. Good thing for chord changes, you know, to be quite honest with you. The secret of keeping this whole strumming going is that you keep your right hand moving no matter what. And it's gonna work, you know, if you just don't think about this too much, to be honest. If you go down, down, up, 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 down, down, up. You see? It says down, down, up. I need to point out that there is this blank strum or whatever I call it, and it's on every on last upstroke of the chord that you play. I just take off my fingers off the fretboard to allow the smooth chord change. So I kind of play, after each chord, I play kind of this kind of open string chord to create nice link between chords. Can you hear that? It's... kind of exaggerating the movement of my left hand so you can see that. You can count to something like that. So, you know, this is it, you know. I think you can rewind the lesson and see, again, my presentation. I'm not a singer, to be honest, so I'm kind of working on it, but the singing wasn't great. So forgive me all the mess ups. So listen, I hope that this is enough for you to keep you going. I'll try to put the chord sheet on the website where you can download it, and I'm gonna put the lyrics there as well, so you'll be able to follow what's going on. But you know what? Just learn the song and have fun. Hit subscribe if you are interested in more videos like this, and hit the like, because that will help me to make more content like that. And you know what? Make any suggestions in the comment box below. And you know, check the links that I posted. You know, check what's going on. I do other things than theme songs for kids and nursery rhymes. I do tutorials on how to play lead guitar. You know, I showcase the progress of my guitar students based here in London. So you know what? Check my YouTube channel and see what's going on. See if you like it. There are hundreds of videos there. Okay, so listen, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Take care, bye.